In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that provides flexibility and ease of use, making it one of the favorite productivity software choices for many. Whether you are organizing your projects or managing personal tasks, using and customizing templates in Notion can really streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to the side panel on the left. This panel is essentially your command center. Here, you'll find all your pages and databases, including any templates that you might have already used or created. It's important to spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this area, as it really is critical for navigating and editing content within Notion. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and select the page that contains the template you want to edit. This could be a planning board, a to-do list, or any structured page you're using as a template. Clicking on the page will open it in the main window, and this is where the magic happens. Now that your page is open, the next task is unlocking the template for editing. Look for the top right corner, and you'll see a toggle option, something that's a little lock icon. Simply click on it, and voila, your template is unlocked and ready for adjustments. This step is incredibly important because it allows you to make custom changes without affecting the rest of your workspace or templates. With your template unlocked, you can dive into editing. Feel free to adjust any sections, add new blocks, or shift things around to better suit your needs. Notion utilizes blocks for structuring content, so to edit or add, just hover over an area within your template, and a plus sign will appear. Clicking this sign allows you to insert a range of blocks, including text, headings, lists, and even databases. A good tip is to remember that you're in complete control of the structure here, so it's worth experimenting a little to see what works best for you. As you're making these changes, don't forget to utilize the formatting toolbar that pops up whenever you select text or blocks. It's conveniently packed with options like bolding, italicizing, and creating bullet lists, to name a few. This toolbar can really help in making sure your content is not only informative but also visually engaging. Finally, once you're happy with the edits, make sure everything is saved. In Notion, changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to hit a save button. However, it's a good habit to double-check your page and ensure all your updates are appearing as intended. And that's it. You've now successfully edited a template in Notion. Making these adjustments can have a huge impact on how you manage and interact with your Notion pages, bringing both efficiency and a personal touch to your organization style. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!